Hello, and welcome to Math with Mr. Bill. I'm Bill Anderson, and today we are going through a series of problems from a midterm, helping one of my students review for an upcoming final. And this is problem number 5 from that midterm. So this is I don't want to say typical, but this is a typical integral problem. Kind of nasty, but again, we're going to look at the integral to see what kind of techniques we're going to be using and see what we can come up with. First thing I notice for this integral is that the top expression, x cubed minus 1, is one degree less than the exponent in the denominator, x to the fourth minus 4x. So that's a good place to do u-substitution if you're going to try u-substitution, which you should definitely try u-substitution in something like this. And so I'm going to let u equal x to the fourth minus 4x. And so du then is going to be 4x cubed minus 4 dx. Well, that's nice because there's a common 4 in there, and I'm going to go ahead and take that out. Let's get 4 times x cubed minus 1 dx. So there's my x cubed minus 1 dx. I just got to bring the 4 over to the du, and I can replace everything. So I'm going to bring that 1/4 over. So 1/4 du now is going to be x cubed minus 1 dx. So now I've got everything. Got everything I need. So let's rewrite this integral here. So on the top, for the x cubed minus 1 dx, I'm going to have 1/4 and then the du. And then on the bottom, I'm going to have 6 raised to the u. Well, that looks a lot tamer. Let's clean this up a little bit more. And I get 1/4 the integral, so bring that 1/4 out front, times in the integral of 6 to the negative u du. So I'm bringing that 6 up to the numerator by changing the exponent to a negative. All right, so now there's a rule here. So if we have a to the integral of a to the x, this is equal to 1 over the natural log of a times a to the x. And that's about what we have. We just have that negative there that we've got to deal with. And I could do another substitution. I could do a v substitution or a w substitution. Or I can just remember that when I take the integral or take the derivative of something with a negative coefficient like this, then I just get a negative out front. So when I take the integral of something with a negative coefficient or negative argument, I'm going to get a negative out front. I think that's probably easiest. So this integral will be very straightforward. It's 1/4 times, and then we'll follow the rule here. We get 1 over the natural log of a. Now a here is 6 times 6 to the negative u. And don't forget about that negative. So then I can either put times -1 here or not, or put it out front. And then plus my constant, since I don't have any limits of integration. So the last thing we're going to do is make this look a little bit better and replace u with our original substitution, which was x to the fourth. I'll take a quick look here. X to the fourth minus 4x. Minus 4x plus c. Don't forget about that negative, and that'll go right up there like that. So that's it. That is our solution. That's our integral. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.